children, welcome back to the video. I am Maths Prd Vid. In today's video, we will be seeing a new lesson called percentage. Percentage is just like fraction, but let us learn it relating it to fraction because we already have learned fractions. So how will you represent a fraction, children? So if I have a whole part, I will be dividing it into many parts, and whichever is shaded, I will be representing it in fraction. So how much is shaded here? 2 out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So the fraction of this is 2 by 6. Similarly, percentage is nothing but we are taking the whole part of 100. Means if we are dividing this circle into 100 and shading few parts representing in fractions, and that is percentage. So, think I have divided this circle into 100 pieces. In that, I am shading 71 pieces. Then, 71 by 100 is percentage. So, you can also say percentage is nothing but a special type of fraction with the number of divisions is 100. So, because this is special type of fraction, we will be representing it with a special symbol with this. This is the symbol for percentage. So, now I will show you it in the textbook. All of you open your textbook, page number 110, exercise 6.1. So now you can see the first one here. So the box is divided into 100 pieces. And how many pieces are shaded here? See, one line has 10 pieces. So 2 line 20. The third line is 30. And the fourth line is only 4. So it is 30 plus 4, 34. So how will I write that? I will not write it in fraction form. I should write it like this. I will write 34 and write the percentage symbol. So this is how I write my percentage. So all of you write it down, children. So first one is 34 percentage. Now go for the second one. So now check how many boxes are shaded here out of 100. 1, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 65% is shaded. So write 65 and write the percentage symbol. So this will be percentage. Again, similarly, I want you to try this out. So, I am not helping this. This is the first mean. Now, let's go for the second mean. For second mean, they have given you the percentage. You should shade the number of boxes there. So, all of you take a pencil and let's start shading it. So, what is the first one? It is 30%. 30% means you will be shading the 3 lines 10, 20, 30. So start shading it. You can shade it in any pattern, children. I am shading it with the lines. If you want to shade it completely as pencil shading, you can do that also. So I have shaded the 3 lines, which is 30%. Now come for the B one. It is 45%. So count first 10, 20, 30, 40. So first shade the 40. I am shading first only the 40. Okay, I have shaded the 40% now. Now in the next line, I should shade only 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this represents 45%. Similarly, I show you one more. 48%. So I'll first shade only 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 40%. Now I should shade 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this represents 48%. The other 3 I want you to write out. So now you have understood how to represent the percentage and how to shade the percentage. Now next concept is fraction to percentage. So I told you. Now let us see how to convert fraction to percentage. You all know fractions, like if I take 7 by 15. This is the fraction. How to convert this into percentage? It is very simple. You just multiply this with 100. You have to multiply the fraction with 100 and the answer you get is percentage. So let us multiply this and check. 0, 0 get cancels. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So what is remaining here? 7 into 2. What is 7 into 2? It is 14. And you write a percentage symbol. So answer for 750 is 14%. Have converted the fraction into percentage here. So let us see the next one. How to convert decimal to percentage. So this you understood, children, how to convert fraction to percentage? When we work out the sums, I will explain you more, okay? Now we will convert decimal to percentage. So what is a decimal? A number with a decimal point. Like 7.3 is a decimal. How to convert this into percentage? Same way, how you multiply the fraction with 100, you will multiply the decimal also with 100. So when you multiply, you normally multiply and say through this method. It is a little bit long method. So I will teach you a short method. There is 2 zeros. So what should I do? After decimal point here, I should write 2 numbers. I should have 2 numbers. Because I have only one number, I will add one more zero. That makes me 2 numbers after decimal point. Now what should I do? I should just pass my decimal point after these 2 numbers here. So my answer will be 730.0%. It's so simple, children. I'll show you one more. Now I have 1.3%. I want to convert this into percentage. I multiply with 100. I should have 2 numbers after my decimal point. So I write a 0 here and shift this decimal point after that 2 numbers. So my answer would be 130.0%. See, if you don't write this 0 is also same number. So normally for percentage, we don't write this point and 0. So this will be the answer, exact percentage answer. So now we are clear with how to convert from fraction to percentage, from decimal to percentage. So as we do the sums, you will be understanding more. So come, let's go for the exercise. Okay, forgot some more thing. Before going for the exercise, we will be converting the percentage back to fraction and also percentage back to decimal. How to do that? I'll teach you even that now. You think I have 14, which was the answer for the last one. So you know you should get get, right? 7 by 50. So let's check how do we get it. So when I want to convert the percentage into fraction, what should I do is, just you should divide this by 100. Divide the given thing by 100. So what do you get? So now what I should do is, write 14 divided with by 100. So I can cancel, simplify this. Like 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 and 0. So 2 50s are 100. So what is the answer now? 7 by 50. So did you see we got back the fraction from percent to fraction. This is how you convert percentage to fraction. Now how to convert percentage to decimals? So let me take an example here, 35%. Same thing what we did here, divided by 100. We will divide this also by 100. But we won't keep it in fraction form. Instead of this, you all know how to write fraction to decimal form, right? We'll write it in decimal form. Like you have 2 zeros here. So count 2 numbers, keep a decimal here. And so it will be 0.35. This is the decimal. So it is very easy, children. Overall, if you want to convert from fraction or decimal to percentage, multiply with 0. If you want to convert percentage to anything, divide by 100. I'll say you once again. Fraction or decimal to percentage, you will multiply 100. From percentage to fraction or decimal, you will divide by 100. This is the main thing you should keep in mind. Now let's go for the exercise problems. All of you take your textbook, page number 104, exercise 6.2. Now let's start doing. The first main is to convert percentage to fraction. So when you are converting from percentage to fraction, what you should do? You should divide by 100. Keep this in mind and let's start the problems. First one, A1, 72%. So you have to divide 72 by 100. And if you are able to simplify this, you should simplify and keep it in the simplest form. That is, divide this by 2. What do you get? 2 3s are 6. 1 carry. So this becomes 12. 2 6s are 12. So 36. Children, if you are not able to divide like this, you can draw the division, divide and write the answer. Okay? This is 250 the 100. Again 36 and 50 can be divided by 2. See, when I am dividing, I am making sure I am dividing this by 2. I am dividing this also by 2 only. So I will divide this by 2 again. I should divide this by 2 only. So let us divide this by 2. What do I get? I get 2 1s are 2, 18s are 36. 225 are 50. So what is the answer I get? 18 by 25. I can't cancel this further. So this will be my final answer. Now let us take the B question, children. You have 4.5%. So I should divide it by 100. 4.5 divided by 100. I don't want the decimal point in my fraction. So what I do is, I will send the decimal point 1 to my left side. So I get 0.45. For doing that, what I should do is, I'm shifting it to one place, right? I'm jumping over one number. I can cancel 1 0 here. So my answer would be here 0.45 divided by 10. So I can cancel it easily now with 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 nines are 45. So my final answer would be 0.9 by 2. This is the answer for 4.5% into fraction. Now I am going to show you hex sum because you have a improper fraction. How to convert that? 2 3 by 5%. So what I should do this first is convert to improper fraction. Multiply, add. 5 twos are 10, 10 threes are, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 5. I have converted the mixed fraction into improper fraction. This is in percentage. Now I should convert this into fractions. So I should divide this full with 100. If I divide this with 100, I will get my fraction form. So how will I do that? 30 by 5 divided by 100. So I can write this 5 also down and this will be 13 by 5 into 100. Both are in the denominators, no children. So I can write it in this way. Now what can I do is 13 divided by 200. 5 into 100 will be 500. Can you cancel it? 31 and 500? No, it's not possible. So this will be my final answer. So I show you one more sum like mixed fraction, that is the I sum. 4 1 by 5%. So first convert into improper. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 21. 21 by 5%. So to convert it to 100, what should I do? I should divide this by 100. Okay, so 21 by 5 divided by 100. I can write this as 21 by 5 into 100. Again I get 21 divided by 500. Can you cancel it? No, it's not possible. So this is my final answer in fraction. Okay, one more sum which is a little difficult for you. I'll try it out. I want you to try one sum that is J of this type. I will show you one decimal type of sum, that is G. So I have to divide it with 100. So if I want to cancel it, directly I can cancel. If you don't want to shift the points, you can keep the points also, children, okay? Because if I shift the points here, both my zeros will get cancelled and I will not have a denominator. So I will not shift it. I show you both. When I shift, what happens here? 2 zeros, I shift it to 2 places. It will be 6, 4, 5 divided by 100. Sorry, 1. This is my answer. Okay? Or else, you can also write it as 64.5 divided by 100. You can simplify. You divide this with 5. 5 20s are 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10.9. So this will be simplification further. So the answer will be one method, this is the other method. Whichever is easy for you, you can follow it. How did I do this? I just shifted my decimal point to my left side, jumping two numbers because I have two zeros. When I jump off two zeros here, it gets cancelled, so I get 1. And my decimal point will be here. This is my answer. Or else, you can also simplify it and write it in this form also. Both are correct. Are you clear with this, children? Now let's go for the second mean. Second mean, you have to convert the percentage into decimals. So let us take the first one, 55%. So you have to divide it with 100. So when you are dividing it with 100 and you want to convert it to decimal, it is the easiest one. If there is no decimal point here, it is understood my decimal is in the last. I have two zeros, shift to two numbers later. So I just jump to here. So my answer will be 0.55. This is my decimal form. B1 75. 75 by 100. So decimal point is here. Jump after 2. So you get 0.75. I will show you with the decimal number. That is, the next one is I am going to take G, 120%. 120 divided by 100. So I should have how many? Two numbers. 1, 2. My point will come here. So answer will be 1.20. Now let's take the F1. 42.6%. See this? It is 42.6 divided by 100 and I have to shift this decimal. Normally if I don't have decimal, it will be last here. Here I already have a decimal, so I have to just jump 2 steps. So my answer will be 0.426. This is my final answer. So let me show you one more sum like this. That is the high one, 5.5%. It will be 5.5 divided by 100. So I have to jump 2 steps and I have only 1 step here. So let me add one more 0. Now it is 2. So my answer would be 0.055. Are you clear with this, children? Now let us go for the next mean. Now convert the following decimal into percentage. Children, I am doing only half of the sums in each mean. The other half sums are for you to practice. So third mean, I am converting it to decimal. From decimal I am converting into percentage. So I should multiply the numbers with 100. First question is 0.9. So what should I do? I should multiply 0.9 and 100. So when you divide the numbers, you saw decimal point is shifting to the left side here. When you are multiplying, the decimal point will shift to the right side. This is multiplication for division. Okay, children, now let's shift it. So I have to shift 2 points. I don't have 2 numbers here. So I write the number and the other 0 and shift it to 2 points. So decimal is here, right? Now I have 2 numbers. So I shift it here. So my decimal number will become in the last. This is my answer. And this is percentage. So you should write the percentage symbol also. I show you one more. So next one is 0.46 multiplied with 100. So 1, 2. So decimal points come here. So my answer would be, this is my answer in percentage. Okay, let me take a difficult sum now. So I see there is no difficult sums. E1 is a little different. So let me take the E1. Question E. 4.746. 4.746 into 100. I have to jump only 2 steps. I have 3 numbers here. So what I do? 1, 2. I jump here and keep my decimal. So my answer would be 474.6%. This is the answer for 6th one. And I'll show you one more sum. F1 8.03. 8.03 into 100. My answer would be 803%. Is it very easy, children? Yes. So I want you to practice the next sums. Now I will be showing you the fourth main. In fourth main, you have to convert the given fraction to percentage. So in fourth main, you are converting fractions to percentage. So first one, 13 by 20. What you should do? You should multiply with 100. So 13 by 20 into 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So I have 13 into 5. What is 13 5s? It is 65. This is my percentage. B1, 16 by 50. So I will multiply 16 by 50 with 100. Cancel the 0. 5 1s are 5 2s are 16 into 2. So what will be my answer? Answer would be 20, 32. This is my percentage. So let me show you one of the mixed fraction type, the F1. 3 2 by 5. First convert it into improper. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. Multiply with 100. 5 1s are 5, 5 20s are 100. So I have to multiply 17 by 20. So don't see the 0 now. You have 2 into 17. What is 17 2s are? First write that answer. You get 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Now write the 0 in the last. So this will be my percentage. So I will be showing one more sum of the same type, that is G sum. 6 3 by 4. Convert it first. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3, 27 by 4 into 100. So when I cancel this, 4 1s are 4, 4 25s are 100. If you don't know the direct answer, divide these two. Write 100, divide it by 4, you get the answer. So what is the answer now? 27 into 25. Multiply this. So 5 7s is 35. 5 10 plus 3 13 plus 2 7 are 14, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So 5 7 6. This is my final answer. So are you clear with all the 6 children? So if you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me in the interactive session. It is very easy. When you want to convert anything to percentage, you multiply by 100. You want to convert percentage to anything, you want to divide by 100. That's it. Keep that in mind. Everything else will be easy. Okay, see you in the next video. Ta-da, bye-bye. Thank you.